Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. Traditional backup software can help restore the whole VM, but sometimes you just want files in the VM backup. In this video, you will learn how to use Granular Restore to quickly extract files from XenServer VM backup. Here we have a backup of XenServer VM, and we are going to extract files from it. Go to Granular Restore, and select this XenServer VM backup. The job needs to be manually started. It's finished. Let's preview the files and get the ones we need. Just click the download button to download the files or folders to the local machine. Here I have got these files on this computer. After that, just stop this job to avoid wasting resources. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.